Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the storage full problem on a Windows PC in 2026. So if your computer is showing low disk space, running slow, or apps are crashing, this guide will help you free up space safely step by step. First, open Settings, go to System and click Storage. This shows exactly what is using your disk space. Next, click on Temporary Files and remove junk data. So cache files, update files, and recycle bin items can safely be deleted. Now uninstall apps you don't use anymore. I mean, old software and games can take up a huge amount of storage. So move large videos, photos, and downloads to an external drive or cloud storage. This instantly frees up space. Next, turn on Storage Sense. This automatically cleans temporary files and keeps your PC optimized. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove deleted files and free up extra space. And that's how to fix the storage full problem on a Windows PC in 2026. Once you clean junk files, uninstall unused apps, and use Storage Sense, your system will run much faster. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows optimization tutorials. Hey